Do you know? The average adult brain weighs about 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms, and is made up of about 75% water. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, which are the cells responsible for transmitting information throughout the brain and nervous system. Despite being only about 2% of the body's total weight, the brain uses about 20% of the body's energy. The brain is highly adaptable and can reorganize itself by forming new connections throughout life. This is known as neuroplasticity. The brain's storage capacity is estimated to be around 2.5 petabytes, which is equivalent to about 3 million hours of TV shows. The brain is divided into two hemispheres. The left hemisphere is generally associated with logical thinking and language, while the right hemisphere is linked to creativity and spatial abilities. We spend about 6 years of our lives dreaming, and while most people dream every night, they often don't remember their dreams. The brain is capable of forming new memories and learning new skills throughout life, though the process can become slower with age. The brain receives about 20% of the body's blood supply, and it is highly sensitive to changes in blood flow. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel MedTrivia Time.